everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video, we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market-moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, with the wars going on in Ukraine and Gaza, we have a new report for subscribers on a drone company that could be a big beneficiary. This company is actually the oldest drone company in North America, founded in 1998. To get our full report, click our link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, stocks bounced off the lows. We got a lot of data today. Retail sales came in hotter than expected. The consumer is still spending. And then we got the news that the Biden administration is going to be reducing chip sales to China. And this particularly impacted Nvidia. Nvidia was down over 4%. At one point, the stock hit 420, just under 425 before bouncing and closing at 439, but we are trading lower in the after hours. There's some chart damage done here. This is not what we want if you're bullish on Nvidia. I think we're going to go down and test recent lows. We're at least going to test that 425. So let's see how it all plays out. But it's certainly a bearish sign, and a lot of people. The reason for the bounce today, there was just a lot of call buying. You got these degenerates. They just love buying dips. We'll see how it all plays out. I caught the move today in Tesla. Tesla sold off and then bounced. Tomorrow after the bell, we got earnings on Tesla and Netflix. This is going to make or break the market for the rest of the week. Tesla will get the earnings call and Netflix as well. So let's see what they have to say. These have both been big runners this year. So let's see how it plays out. We also got the news. Chesapeake Energy is looking to buy, possibly merge with Southwestern Energy. Stock up 8% on this news. But last week, ExxonMobil agreed to buy Pioneer for just an 18% premium. So I know a lot of people are going into the market looking for the next buyout in the oil patch. With crude oil prices up, it makes sense. But again, they're not giving big premiums. A lot of these stocks are already up. So I think with a lot of these mid caps, they're just looking to get behind. Pioneer decided, hey, let's get behind. With Exxon's big cash reserve, let's cash out. CEOs, directors, get our options vested and move on. So again, I don't know if these are the best moves for shareholders, but let's see how things work out. But yields were up today. If you look at the U.S., the 10-year yield, we're almost just under this 4.9%. So this is we got now, you would say, a triple top. We get through here, then 5%. Certainly going to put some pressure on the markets. But the markets right now are ignoring that. And today, what ended up happening is the strength was actually in the Russell 2000. This was up over 1% today, opened right at 172, ran all the way to 176. So call options on the Russell were printing today. But crude oil prices, $87, gold $19.40. Got a bid on what's going on in the Middle East. I know a lot of people are looking for how to play it. So, I like what we have our report tonight on this drone play. So make sure you sign up and get that full report, and always do your own research. It's important. Our reports are starting points, and then always go and do your own research. But in terms of small caps, we got a few to keep put on your radar. Last week I talked about TPST. Had a strong bounce yesterday from $4, ran all the way to $9, over 100% move in 24 hours. Congrats if you caught this move. Actually, 48 hours. Sorry about that. But we're looking toppy here. So always use a trailing stop. I'd be a little cautious here. And in this market, guys, remember singles, doubles. You get a TPST, you get 100% move. You got to be booking profits. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but always take money off the table. Don't get greedy on these plays. SPRC, pump and dump. They got everyone today. Opened at 770. Got above 880 and then pulled back to close at 631. But we're even trading lower in the after hours. Dilution, reverse split. They got Nasdaq compliance, but be careful with this one. This one here was like I said, they got everyone today on the pump and dump. Next up is NKTX. Out with news. They received FDA clearance of IND application for NKX 019 in lupus nephritis. And then we got another PR. The Lupus Alliance is partnering with this company, NKTX. So this is a big news, and that's why the stock was up 112%. Closed here 314 off the highs. Just under $4. We get above $4, and this one's really going to take off because you got the 200-day moving average at 356. So we ran right into that resistance. We get above there. This thing could really get moving. ASMB, I actually think this one had the biggest news of the day. Stock up 72%. The company has a deal with Gilead. They established partnership to develop next generation therapeutics for serious viral diseases. Partnership combines Gilead's proven track record and mission to develop transformative therapeutics targeting serious viral diseases with Assembly Bio's expertise and focus on antiviral R&D to advance differentiated treatments for herpes viruses, HBV, HDV, and beyond. But the key is here, the Assembly Bio to receive $100 million upfront payment, including equity investment plus potential for future regulatory, commercial, opt-in, and collaboration extension payments. Here, under the terms of the agreement, as I said, $100 million, consisting of an $84.8 million upfront payment and a $15.2 million equity investment from Gilead. Gilead's initial equity investment at premium represents 19.9% of the outstanding voting stock of Assembly Bio as of data closing. In addition, subject to certain conditions, Gilead has agreed to purchase up to 29.9% of Assembly Bio's outstanding voting stock at a premium. So this is big news. Partnering with Big Pharma. Really like this. The stock, again, day traders are in this one. Pulled back here to 125. I think this one is one that you need to keep on your radar screen, and just a $65 million market cap. So $100 million deal and just a $65 million market cap. Start paying attention to this one. Next up is VKTX, Viking Therapeutics. Company was out with news tonight after the bell. It said here that an early stage clinical study showed its drug candidate reduced liver fat levels. Stock up almost 7% after hours. Company said a phase 1 dosing study of its drug candidate VK2735 showed reductions in subjects' liver fat content and plasma lipid levels after 28 days of treatment compared with the group given placebo. So this is big news. Put this one on your radar screen for tomorrow. Next up is SMMT, Summit Therapeutics. Really like this one. Got a major insider buy recently. The chief operating officer, he bought $5 million worth of stock. So that is significant. He bought at $1.68. We're at 202. We're breaking through this trend line, running into some resistance here at the 200-day moving average at 214. The high of the day is 216. You know, it's quite scary when you look at charts and you see these moving averages and how these numbers are so significant and how so many people are paying attention to them. So again, ran right into that. That was a sign to, if you were trading this one, to book profits. But we are breaking out of this consolidation here. We get above that 214, we're going to go back and test the 293 pivot high. So put this one on your radar screen. Next up is Tupperware Brands, consolidating nicely here. I really like the news. We got the new CEO, 3 added to the board. It said here, named consumer goods industry veteran Laurie Ann Goldman. It's new CEO as the storage container maker looks to turn its struggling business around. So this is a restructuring, and the company was running earlier, this summer. I talked about this one. This was a great runner for our subscribers. It really became a meme stock. So again, if your Wall Street Bets crowd can get Tupperware going, I know. Problem is a lot of people have gotten burned on GameStop and AMC. When it comes to meme stocks, as I say, trade them, don't own them. It's short bursts. So again, we start making another move, could really spike, but trade into it. These are not long-term plays. Turning around these companies is not easy. So again, don't fall in love with anything. Trade them, don't own them. Get in, make that money, move on to the next play. Lastly, guys, is AI. This one has been a great trader all year for us here at InsiderFinancial.com. Consolidating here, we got some resistance. We got the 50 and the 200-day moving average, 27.16, 200-day. 50-day is 28.28. We get above there, we're going to spike again. But again, we're building trendline support here, right here, and I think we can really get a move if we get above those 2 moving averages. So put this one on your radar screen. What else am I looking at here? Apple is weak. Slow China sales. Mr. Cook is going to China, try and turn things around there. So that is an overhang on the stock, and that's an overhang on the overall market. So again, there's just a lot of geopolitical risks, interest rate concerns. With the data last week, markets took a breather. Thought, no hike next month, possibly no hike in December. We shall see. The data has been mixed, but today you get strong retail sales data, and then that's what caused the markets to gap down. But then they came in and bought the dip. So again, it's am I super bullish? No. Am I super bearish? No. I'm neutral. You just got to take it one day at a time. It's a tough market. One day you're going to get some runners. Next day it's going to be tough. So again, just do the best you can, guys. If you're frustrated, you're not alone. A lot of other people are frustrated as well. But the key is, I think right now, if you look at some macro concerns, what's going on with the wars in Ukraine, Israel, Gaza, there are ways to play that, and that's why we have a new report on a drone company that we think is a potential could be a big beneficiary. So if you want that report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. And here at InsiderFinancial.com, what we're doing is we're putting stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. And that's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And guys, we cover In our low float and our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Please click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And sometimes we see things in the pre-market, so it's the fastest way to get something out to you guys. It's completely free, no spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great trading day tomorrow. Bye-bye.